Are you still bothered by sticking, overheating, excessive burrs and rapid wear when cutting metal? The core problem is simply choosing the wrong, professional metal cutting saw blade. Generic saw blades lack sufficient hardness and protective coatings, leading to high friction, poor chip removal, reduced efficiency, and increased costs. VJS saw blade HSS high-speed steel saw blade tin-coated, engineered exclusively for metal cutting. Premium HSS-based material delivers exceptional toughness and impact resistance. The tin coating boosts hardness and wear resistance while minimizing sticking and overheating. The tin coating boosts hardness and wear resistance while minimizing sticking and overheating. Just watch the cutting performance in the video. Smooth fitting with zero jams. One pass cutting for maximum productivity. Got metal cutting challenges? Contact me for your customized cutting solution.